how to use Google Docs for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Documents very easily. So first of all, you have to search for Google Docs on your browser, and if you're using Android or iPhone, you can just simply go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Google Docs, and you will get this app with this logo and download it. So then you have to sign in, and as you can see, I'm already signed in. Then you can just create a blank document, or you can just use previously made template from template gallery if you wish to. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Also, you can create your personal template from the very beginning by tapping on to create a blank page. So now let's say you want to edit this text. So for example, like this. Okay, so this is how you can change your templates text. Just choose the text you want to edit, and you can just edit those text. Now let's say you want to change the color of this text. At the top corner here you can see this bold icon. You can make your text bold, but right now let me show you how you can change the color of your text. So first of all, you have to tap onto my pet friend text, like any text you want to edit, then go to this A text. Like here you can see this A, tap onto A, and from there you can change your color text very easily. Also, you can tap onto add custom colors, and you can add custom colors if you wish to. Let me show you how you can do it. Just tap onto add a custom color, and then you can choose custom colors and just do it. So that's it. There you go, you can see it. Now let me show you how you can change the font of the text. For example, I'm going to choose this text. Now let me show you how you can change the font. So at the top left corner here you can see this option, this one saying something like proxy or something like that. Here you can see this is the font option. You can change your font according to your need very easily. Just choose the preferred font that you want to change, and then just choose it, and there we go, your font is now changed. You can find a lot of fonts right here, and you can change it according to your wish. Now let me show you how you can edit the Google Docs resumes more from here. Now let me show you how you can change the color, text size. So here you can see this text. Let me show you. Just choose the text that you want to change the size of it, and here you can see this plus icon or minus icon. You can make it smaller by clicking onto minus icon, and you can tap onto plus icon to make it larger. Also, you can just choose your preferred size from here. Even you can type in your preferred size. So let me choose 32. I think that's perfect. Okay, so that was pretty much it. Now let me show you how you can make your text like italic font. So choose your text and then tap onto this eye icon, and then your text will be in italic font. Very easy. So also you can make it underline if you wish to, like this. Also you can make it bold by clicking on the bold. I showed you earlier that how you can make bold. Now let's say you want to highlight any text, for example about the owner. So just choose the text, then tap onto this icon right here which is saying highlight color. Simply tap onto highlight color, and from there choose your preferred color, or you can choose custom colors if you want, and then you can just change your color style, highlight color style, and you can see the text is now highlighted. But let me change it because it is not looking that much perfect. Okay, so there we go. So this is how you can edit text. Now let's say you want to add images to your fonts like this. So just simply choose on your font images if you have choose previously made templates from Google Docs, and you can delete it. Also you can add more images to your docs by tapping onto this icon, insert image at the top corner. You can see this, tap onto this icon, and you can upload from computer. You can search from the web like Google Web, and you can use any image. You can go to your Google Drive. You can just upload images from Google Drive. You can go to your photos, the gallery. Also you can use camera. Even you can use URL to upload images, but for now I'm going to show you how you can upload from your PC or browsers. So that's it. Now let me just choose screenshot, for example this one. So as you can see, this will be added to it. Let me choose another image because this was not that perfect. Okay, so there we go, you can see this image right here. So the images has been added. Okay, and now let's say you want to edit this image a little bit more, like this. So you can just choose its size, you can make it larger or smaller according to your need, and then you can just choose it. You can just choose them, like these ones are the size where your textures will be kept. So that's pretty much it. Also you can just scroll it from here to there to keep it in the perfect place. And from here on the document tabs, you can tap onto plus icon, and there we go, you can see this another tab has been opened. You can just write in your whole text right here, then you can add images. For example, this one, you can just simply add images. Let me make it smaller, and let's add it to right this place. Okay, let me add it right here, and let me make it a little bigger. Okay, so that's it. Now you have to enter all your text like this, and here and there you can just enter text. Okay, so you can just insert text like this. You can add comments if you wish to, like this, and you can add comments right here. You can change your fonts, you can paint the format if you wish to, like you can just choose it. Let me choose different options like header format. Now you can add your margin size, like header format size, and footer inches, then you can apply it. But for now I'm gonna delete it because this is a new one. I would like to go with the previous one. So that's pretty much it, how you can edit text, you can add images, how you can edit your template size. And now let's say you want to delete an image, then you can tap onto the image and right click it and then delete it. You can also replace image if you wish to, and many more. You can add link to your images or text. This is same as the text, just right click onto it and you can just simply add links to it. You can see insert link. You can add emoji, reactions, and many more. Now let me show you how you can share it. So at the top right corner you can see this share option, just tap onto it, and then you can edit the access, like anyone with the link or restricted, and you can choose anyone with the link and then copy the link and done. So now you can copy the link to anyone and they will be able to see the Google Docs. So that was pretty much it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.